In this video snippet, we will cover how to open the project tracker from Teams. Seeing the document is an Excel-driven, macro-driven document, multiple people cannot edit at the same time. So it's important to check out the document to let others know that it's being edited. If for some reason it is not checked out and currently being edited by another person, you will get this message. To avoid that confusion, to check out the document, you're going to click on the three dots, click More, and Check Out. This will give a little indication on the document that someone has checked it out. In this case, I checked it out so I don't see my name, but others will. To edit the document, you're going to open it in the app. Again, click on the three dots, click Open, Open an App. On opening the document, you may get several messages at the top. One is to allow the document to be edited, and two, to enable macros. Seeing I've opened this document and I've trusted it as a network drive, I don't get those error messages anymore. Once you have made your changes, you're going to want to check the document back in. So in order to save your changes, it's always important as you go through and click Save. But when you're done, you're going to close your document. It's going to pop up a message that says, do you want to check in now? Click Yes, and add a couple comments of what you changed. That way we can sort of keep track on the version history of what was done. And you just like, okay. And as you can see, it'll take some time to update this symbol, but it will eventually go away. If someone else has checked out the document and they're on vacation, contact the team site owner. That is currently Jenny. She can actually override the checkout status. Thanks for watching.